Yes, you know me love my farming from evening till the morning. It's the Crocus Bag Farmer and I'm just transplanting some cane, and as I show you, I don't plant cane sticking up like this. I plant the cane laying down. I don't stick them like this, I lay them down so it allow all of the eyes them to bust. So I'm just gonna do that right now, see? So bless up yourself. If you love the farming, hit the red subscribe button right now, cause we just a plant up the thing, cause if you don't plant, you don't go have nothing to eat. Keep up with it. See? Look. Look at one cane here. I will love the farming. Now I said the water drop. Water don't dry do. But like me say, we just lay it down like this. Actually, we dig it out the wider. Decorate the window and create the food, you know. There you go. Hopefully come up.
Hopefully. Chain that you know about.
Alright. Alright, so I'll do the same over here, son. Guys, if me not farm right now, nothing not go on right now. Yeah. Push up the place and stush up the place at the same time. Put one by the window over here, so. I may plant up all of them greenery still. Yeah, the international. Put something by our window. Well, over here so look kind of dirty. But a lot of water I just off for the little price. Got the water. Clean up the water. Sugarcane, them say, no? And again now, I'm not gonna be a fool, me not let out myself. I have to jam one over here so on my ends. See? Yeah. Yeah. I'll jam one right there in front of the fence. Because I shade my fence, yes, because my fence open. I want you to do this, but I knock him out because he never bear no fruit. So right now, that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 yards on this one here. This one cane me I put this. Yeah. Yeah. Let me nurture. I will plant it like this. Yeah, just up. And there you go. Yeah. And believe it or not, I'll show you what I go on. So remember, I farm evening, night, and in the morning. So you're up on the Crocus Bag Farm, anywhere you see me, see? So remember to subscribe, like, and share. More life, you're here. Planting, I do it, Steve. Produce or perish. Produce or perish. Yam them a come up. We will give a touch on the yam them before they come up too far. See the yam them a come up there again. So I saw you go. White yam, yellow yam, any yam you want. Yeah.